Constructing a quadratic equation. Part 1. If x equals alpha and x equals beta are the roots of a quadratic equation, then the equation can be written x minus alpha multiplied by x minus beta is equal to 0. Part 2. A quadratic equation can be constructed from its roots using x squared minus the sum of the roots times x plus the product of the roots equals 0. So remember, sum means add and product means multiply. Example 1. The roots of a quadratic equation are 4 and minus 3. Write the quadratic equation in the form ax squared plus bx plus c equals 0, where a, b and c are elements of z, z being integer set, so positive or negative whole numbers. Solution. We should first calculate the sum of the roots and the product of the roots. So the roots are 4 and minus a third. The sum of the roots are going to be 4 minus a third, which is 11 over 3. And the product of the roots is going to be 4 multiplied by minus a third, which is minus 4 thirds. Then the quadratic equation is x squared minus the sum of the roots, x, the sum of the roots being 11 over 3. So we're going to bring down the x squared, the minus, and pop in 11 over 3, and then bring down the x, plus the product of the roots, which is minus 4 thirds. So we bring down minus 4 thirds equals 0. So we have x squared minus 11 over 3x plus minus 4 over 3 is equal to 0. So this is one equation. However, the question asked for the a, b and c values to be elements of z, so to be integers. So if we multiply across by 3, we can get rid of the fraction parts. So x squared multiplied by 3 is 3x squared, minus 11 over 3x multiplied by 3 is minus 11x, and minus 4 over 3 multiplied by 3 is minus 4. So we get 3x squared minus 11x minus 4 is equal to 0. So if we take the roots, just to check are we right, if we take the roots that we were given in the question, which were 4 and minus a third, and we say x is equal to 4 and x is equal to minus a third, if we put them inside brackets and change the signs, we get x minus 4 multiplied by x plus a third. If we multiply out our brackets, so if we bring down the x and stick on the x plus a third, bring down the minus 4 and stick on the x plus a third, then multiply out our brackets, x by x is x squared, x by a third is a third x, minus 4 by x is minus 4x, minus 4 by a third is minus 4 over 3. And then simplify by putting our x's together. A third x minus 4x is minus 11 over 3x. We end up with x squared minus 11 over 3x minus 4 over 3, which is what we got for our answer. So this proves that this method is correct.